Now this question says solve the equation log n base 81 equals to 0.25. So how do you solve this kind of question? Now there's a relationship between logarithm and indices. There's a relationship between logarithm and indices. And so if you have log of a number, let's say number n, to a base of let's say a base a, and this logarithm is equal to a number x. Now you can transform this logarithm to an indicial form, that means a form in indices. So and what will happen is simply that your result will be a raised to power x is going to be equal to n. So what happens here is that the base of this logarithm will cross over to this other side and become the base here, and this x here will become the power, then it will be equal to n here. So for instance, if I say, let me write it in another form. If I write log m to base b equals to y, so this is going to be b raised to power y, this becomes to carry this equals to m. So this has to transform something from logarithm form to indices form. So applying that in this question, we are going to say that log n to base 81 equals to 0.25 can be transformed. So this is going to be 81 raised to power 0.25 equals to n. So we have transformed this to indices form. Now we can solve easily. Now to solve this, we are going to need to transform 0.25 to fractional form, and 0.25 is the same thing as 25 over 100, and when you reduce that to the lowest term is 1 over 4. So this is going to be 81 raised to power 1 over 4 equals to n. And you know that when you have a fractional power under indices, it's going to be a root. So this means that you are looking for the fourth root of 81, and that will be your value of n. So what is the fourth root of 81? That's a number you multiply with itself repeatedly 4 times, that will give you 81. And that number is 3. Because if you say 3 times 3, that's 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 times 3 is 81. So this number here is 3. So I have 3 equals to n, and my answer is 3.